How to change your display name on X app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. It is also formerly known as Twitter. So once you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change your display name of your Twitter account, you need to go to the account settings. Here in this home screen, at the top left corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now select this profile option over here. Now that you're in your profile page, you can see this edit profile option. Tap on it. In this edit profile page, at the top you can see this name option. Tap on it. Now you can change your display name from here. After you change it to your preferred name, in the top right corner you can see the save option. Tap on it. Now your display name has been successfully changed over here. So that's it. That's how you can successfully change your display name on your X account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.